Hello everybody, welcome to the trade recap. In this video I'm going to go over the two trades that were taken today in this session, why I took it, and what I was looking for. So coming into the session, I did mention that we had equal highs above and we had liquidity here to the downside that made sense as well. So if we got a short confirmation, I wouldn't be opposed to shorts. And then from that point, if we got confirmations long as well, there were objectives. So I wasn't really going to be against one side or the other. It just really depended how the market played out. And so in this trade here, we saw price, and I'll break down why. Price didn't take this high right here. But why was I okay with a potential short from that point? Because price did damage here and swept this high already. We swept the high there, and so we had objectives to the downside. And so we came and took these 1 minute equal highs. From that point, we came in and inversed several gaps, and in my head, I said, okay, I'm okay with taking this setup. It's a true, and I said it live, it's a true B setup. So I'm sizing down. It does make sense if we were to go and head lower, but I didn't get that 15-minute sweep. Why? There was already damage done to the upside, so this sweep of this internal low or internal high made sense. So I was willing to take a risk on it. We came around, so TP1 was 30 points. We came around 6-ish points away from TP1 before reversing, and we got stopped out there. So then I was like, okay, stopped out on that first trade. We'll take that out, no problem. No problem there. And so we're going to analyze and see what the market does. I said, okay, that was the first loss to break my 9-trade win streak. Didn't get 10 straight, but that's okay. I said, okay, let's see what we do here. We swept sell side here and bounced off and rejected and respected a 50-minute bullish imbalance. So I said, okay, we're going to analyze and see what the market does from that point. It's 50-minute sweep of liquidity. Objectives formed to the upside. What did we do by failing to take this high right here? We formed equal highs here, and we have equal highs above. Okay, there are objectives to the upside. It makes sense if price were to head higher. What do? We go beautiful reversal. SMT on the 1 minute here. We had a 15-minute SMT as well. Inverses gap formed a fair value gap simultaneously. I entered right there. We had objectives to the upside. I was targeting the equal highs. And so from that point, you can see we tapped into that internal liquidity, TP1. That was around 30 points. And then I was staying around here. And as we were exiting the session there, I said I would monitor and see what we do. And I'll tell you when I got out. Price came here on the last leg up. And from that point, right when we start to go up, I got out here. I said, okay, price is literally 2 points away from full take profit. Price had began to chop around. Range high was taken. I said, okay. How price is chopping around here? We're literally almost an hour past the session. I'm going to take profits there, 2 points away. And that's where I took it. And so price began to reverse from that point. I literally caught the top there of that leg for a 68.25 point move. And those are the two trades taken. First loss was around 40 points. Second trade was a win around 68.25 points. So that is the trade recap. 2 trades taken, 1 win, 1 loss. And that sums up the trade session. And so that means the last 19 trades, 17 wins, 2 losses recorded, called live. So that was the trade recap, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everybody.